Last topic in fifth unit, that is nothing but aparting thought of design patterns. What we have to be taught, the design patterns, what it should do. Okay, the design patterns which have, if we have a problem, if supposed to solve that particular problem as a solution, as a technique, just we need to implement of that particular pattern. Okay, we need to understand the consequences, what does it do. Okay, here the best design will use many design patterns that devote and intertwine to produce a greater whole, as Christopher Alexander says. Here, what does he, it means the best, whatever the best designs will use many design patterns that we need to come together, just we need to interact and interlinked to that to produce a greater a part of that part of hierarchy. As mainly said, as Christopher Alexander says, what he says in the sense, it is very possible to make buildings by stringing together patterns in a rather loose way. A building made like this, it is an assembly of patterns. What does the meaning in the sense, just we need to make a buildings by stringing. It is very possible together to do that particular pattern in rather than the loose way. Here just we need to made like this, like a building made like this, just it is an assembly of patterns. Okay, it is not dense, it is not dense. Why? Because of it is not profound. So but it is also possible. We supposed we need to put the patterns together, we need to put the patterns together in such a way that many patterns overlap in the same physical space. In the sense, what I meant to say in the sense, it is not dense. Why? Because of it is not profound. So here but it is also possible to put that design patterns together in such a way that so many design patterns just overlap in the same physical space. So here the building is very dense. Very important key points, the building is very dense. It has the meaning, it captured in a small space, it captured in a small space, and through this density and just it becomes a profound, the whatever the pattern languages in software and whatever we need to it evaluation, it is very possible to make the building together the patterns. Okay, in it is an assembly of patterns, just we are made like this a particular building. Okay, this is the concept of aparting a thought of design patterns.